Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make homemade pizza. The ingredients that I'll be using are 400 grams of flour, 150 milliliters of warm water, 200 grams of cheese. I have my tomato sauce which I bought from the supermarket. I blended it to make it smoother and also added a teaspoon of olive oil. I have some slices of salami, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and 6 grams of dry yeast. Now let's make the dough. The first thing to do is to pour in your warm water, followed by your yeast, sugar, and olive oil. Then whisk. Sieve in your flour. Lastly, add in your salt and mix everything. Now transfer to your working area and start kneading until the dough is soft. As you can see, our dough is now soft. Grease the bowl. And place in your dough. Cover and allow to rest for 40 to 45 minutes. Here is our dough after resting for 45 minutes. Transfer it onto the pan and use your hands to spread it. Use a fork to make holes to allow the tomato sauce to sink into it. Cover the dough with your tomato sauce. Now sprinkle some cheese on top of it. Then decorate it with salami. Finally, sprinkle some more cheese on top of it. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. We have finished making our pizza. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.